to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I want to bring you guys a review on this hair that I currently have in right now that I ordered from Amazon. So if you guys are interested, of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so the hair that I currently have in right now is from Amazon. Like I said before, I did purchase this hair myself, so this was not sent to me, and this hair is by a brand called Amella Virgin Hair on Amazon. So before I give you guys my review on this hair, I want to read to you guys what the description says on Amazon's website. On Amazon's website, it just says that this is Amella's hair, 100% unprocessed version Brazilian body wave. It does come with 3 bundles, and it also says it is 300 grams and grade 8A. They pick up the lengths 18, 20, and 22, and that's what I have in right now. So I also want to show you guys what came inside of the box. I also think the packaging is really pretty because from Amazon I have received some things that just wasn't packaged presentable. So with this box being as pretty as it is, I really do like that. So inside of the box, of course, it came with my 3 bundles. It also came with a pair of 3D eyelashes. And I actually think these lashes are really pretty. I think I would really wear these, and that also came with a wig cap. I do have this in as a quick weave. Y'all know that's my favorite go-to hairstyle. So right now I did install all of the 22, 20, and half of the 18 because I did want the fullness. I do have a little of the 18-inch left. And my review on this hair is I really do like this hair. So to start off, like, the bundles are definitely full. I have purchased a lot of hair from Amazon, and most times when I order hair from Amazon, the widths and the hair is super thin. Thankfully this hair was not that thin at all. Like, it was actually full bundles, and the widths were not super thin either. I really do like that. Also guys, I did try to dye this hair. I wanted to dye my bundles to match my hair, and I don't know if it was me, but it didn't really dye at all. And like I said, it could have been me because I'm not like a professional hairdresser or anything like that, and I only use like box dye because that's all I use. And this hair, honestly, it didn't really take well with the box dye that I use. So like I said, that could have been me, so I'm not mad at all. It did take a little, so it did kind of, it doesn't look too bad. So, and the hair is super soft. It is really soft. Like I said, y'all, I did get this in body wave, and after I of course bleached the hair and washed it, of course it kind of takes away from the curl pattern, but I have straightened this hair bone straight. That's pretty much how I wore it when I first installed it, and it straightens perfectly. Like, it straightens really well. And today the only thing I did was put some wand curlers in this hair, and as you guys can see, that turned out really good as well. So I think one of the main things that I always forget to tell you guys is how much I paid for it. So 3 bundles of this 100% unprocessed Brazilian human hair, I only paid $81, y'all. $81. So I would definitely recommend this hair, y'all. Like I said, I do have this in as a quick weave, and this hair is so beautiful to me. It is completely honest with you guys, out of all of the hair that I have ordered from Amazon, this is definitely my favorite because, like I said, I love how the bundles are not super thin and the hair is not like it's full. I really do like that, especially for the price. So yeah, it doesn't really tangle, as you guys can see. It sheds a little, not too much, but like I always tell you guys, I think all hair sheds. Yeah, I just wanted to hop in really quickly and share with you guys a review on this hair because I really do love this hair. And I say that a lot, but I really mean, like, this right now is my favorite hair that I have ordered from Amazon for the price. like the bundle thickness, the curl pattern. The only thing, like I said, that, you know, just didn't turn out well for me was just me dyeing it like the color that I wanted to dye it. But like I said, I'm not mad at that because it doesn't look bad at all. So yeah guys, I want to hop in and show you guys a review on this hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.